Perplexity AI just launched something incredible. It's called Perplexity Labs and it's truly next level. It can create presentations, dashboards, analytics, infographics, market research, and even custom plans. Before we dive in, please consider like and subscribe ITeePK for more useful tech tips and AI tools. Now let's get started. Let's start and make sure you have enabled Perplexity Lab and also just go ahead and enable all these sources to search on the web. Let's send our first prompt that will create a visual dashboard showing monthly sales data, customer growth, and regional performance from a small e-commerce business. And here we got the details results. Let's view full screen of e-commerce business dashboard into the next step. Here we have an amazing and perfect details that is overview of all the sales performance. Also we have the regional performance showing in this dashboard. Each and every option is working perfectly. We could go ahead and export the data for last 7 days as well. You could also go ahead and share this perfect dashboard with anyone by copying the simple link. Like I have copied the link and let's test it. It's opening the same e-commerce business dashboard here. In our next example, we are asking Perplexity Lab to do a perfect market research for us. Make sure you have selected the Perplexity Lab and enabled all of the sources option, and I want it to include competitors, growth trends, customer pain points, and also the recommendations. So here we got the results that have smart fitness wearable market research targeting the demographic. As I explained, the second thing we have that executive summary. We also have all these details in a CSV format, and these are the latest and updated details according to market trends. The next we have smart fitness market bar is going up with the perfect details. Then target demographic analysis. Again, we have the fitness tracker usage by the age groups. Perfect. Let's go more down. We have competitive landscape that give us phones, Samsung, Xiaomi, all the product names that are available in the market. Again, we have a perfect CSV format file. The next we have top fitness tracker pain points that we ask for customer pain points and challenges, and we have a perfect and up-to-date data here provided by Perplexity Lab. Emerging trends, strategic recommendations, and at the end we have the conclusion. Amazing. In the next interesting example, I wanna ask Perplexity Lab to create a 5-slide presentation on the impact of artificial intelligence in educations, include suggestions and infographic. Must enable all these options and we are ready to send it. Here you go. We got amazing and outclass results for our given prompt. We have CSV files here with top-notch information. If we scroll more down, and we could also see AI education tools in the market share and few more CSV files with an amazing and perfect details that Perplexity AI gathers for us on a single page. We could also go ahead and download these CSV files or copy and paste them into another file. Anyhow, let's go ahead and we wanna view this presentation in a full screen. And here we got our presentation that is created professionally. We got the date and also in the presenter name we could update presenter name. Here is our first slide that shows market growth and current adoption according to updated information. Perfect. In next slide, we are getting AI application transforming education. We have different sub options that are personalized learning, intelligent tutoring system, automated assessment, language learning support, and many more. The next slide we have challenges and ethical consideration with some of sub points, and the last we have 225 earning trends. The perfect and amazing result from the Perplexity Lab. You could also again go here, copy the link, and if you want to share with anybody, just go ahead and share this information link to them. Now let's go with another interesting demo that makes technology very easier for us. I wanna ask Perplexity Lab to create an app for tracking my expenses. Make sure it's trendy and modern. Let's enable all of these options for a deep research and then let's send it to Perplexity Lab. This could take 9 minutes to generate it and your any project could take time. And here you could just go ahead and enable the notification because when it's completed, Perplexity will be going to send you the notification. So here you go. I got the perfect Android application created for my expenses tracking. Let's see here in the next step. Let's add any expense here. I want to select the category and then let's leave the date. Let's scroll more down. And in the note, I want to add this as a testing expense. Expense saved successfully at the top with $5. I just want to make sure that each and every module of this app is working. Now we could see the light and dark theme that could be changed from here, the moon icon. Perfect. Let's see the analysis dashboard with graphical interface. Amazing. We could just go ahead and download this code and just paste it into any IDE to make a perfect application for us in a minute. This is just an amazing. And finally, financial forecasting. I gave Perplexity Lab a SaaS startup scenario and asked for a 1 year forecast that will create 12-month financial forecast for an investment summary for a small SaaS startup with $10,000 in monthly revenue. So here we got the perfect result. Let's view it in the full screen. Now we got a perfect results and every module is working perfectly. If we increase or decrease monthly revenue, monthly growth, cost of goods, sales and marketing, R&D percentage, and general admin, and everything is customizable here. These are just an amazing results with a 12-month project revenue plan, 12-month financial projections, investment analysis, and scenario comparison. We could go ahead and first we have to save the current scenario and then compare the scenario, and here we are getting the perfect results. Lab Perplexity calculated project revenue, expense breakdowns, and gave clear actionable recommendation. It's like having a finance consultant on demand without any cost. And you just saw Perplexity Lab is more than just a search tool. It's complete AI productivity assistant. From dashboard and presentations to market research and financial forecasting, it handles it all with speed and accuracy. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to ITeePK, and share it with someone who needs smarter tools in their workflow. You can trial Perplexity Labs from the link given in the video description. And also make sure you have put in the promo code for more discount. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay ahead with ITeePK.